Did you know that the world's sea levels are rising? This means that the urban planning in coastal cities face many difficulties. North Jakarta, as an example, is expected to submerge underwater up to 95% by the year 2050, and New Orleans is predicted to suffer from a sea level rise of 37 centimeters by the year 2040. So, how can new urban projects be planned with this kept in consideration? Introducing TwinTide. TwinTide is a mixed reality collaboration tool for urban planning. It provides urban planners with a digital twin of a city or area they're planning for. TwinTide uses real-time data to see the current and predicted sea levels. By using TwinTide's UI options, you can see how future sea levels would look in different years. The collaboration features enable two individuals to simultaneously explore TwinTide, thus helping urban planners to collaborate with experts in other fields. This avoids designing and developing plans for cities and urban zones that have a high risk of flooding in the future. So, who are the creators of TwinTide? TwinTide was created as a group project by 4 master's students from the Design for Creative and Immersive Technology program at Stockholm University. Our task was to create a system combining the concepts of digital twin, mixed reality, and collaboration. TwinTide was created using the game engine called Unity and was made to be experienced using the XR headsets Vario XR3 and MetaQuest Pro. The real-time data was collected from APIs, and the 3D models were created in Blender and found in the Unity Asset Store. In the end, by combining the models, data, and hardware, we were able to create TwinTide.